Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I wanted to do a brow tutorial for you guys. I'm sort of running out of ideas on what to do because I've never done this before. I've never regularly done this before. So somebody just shot out to me in Instagram on one of my pictures and mentioned that I should do a brow tutorial. And I got kind of nervous because I haven't been really good at doing my brows lately. They're both really different shapes right now and I'm trying to let them grow out so that way I can go back and fix them up and clean them up a little bit. But I decided to do one anyways and I just kind of cleaned up what I could. I'll go ahead and list all the products that I'm using in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy and please let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see from me. I'm only going to be doing my eyebrows and not my complexion today, so this should be a pretty quick video. I am literally getting foundation all on the inside of my sweater. I'm not sure really what else to do video-wise, so if you guys have any ideas for me, go ahead and let me know. Maybe we'll do like a skincare one, but let me know in the description box below. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Browvo Conditioning Primer. So a little bit goes a long way, so I'm only doing about a click and a half. And I'm going to scrub this all over my right brow. You don't really have to put on very much, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a coat. And next I'm going to be using the Benefit KaBrow. My color is number 4. It's kind of like a medium darkish brown shade. And I'm just using this angled liner brush. I did get this out of a smoky eye brush set. Any angled brush really works great. You just want to make sure that it's really nice and thin so you can get kind of a crisper look. And please bear with me with this. My eyebrows are a little bit out of control right now. So I was struggling to find like a perfect lower line to start with. Plus, I'm still not used to doing my makeup on camera. So this is a little bit tough for me to find the perfect angle for you guys to see what I'm doing. I always like to line the lower part of my brow first and then do the top, just so that way I can kind of see where I want my arch to be. In this case, I messed up a little bit on my arch. I didn't take it out far enough, and so it looks a little bit flat on the side. Later on off camera, I do fix that, but like I said, it's the angling that I'm still trying to get used to doing. And I really like to use little strokes up front at the front part of my brow to make it seem like there are more hairs there, so it's more realistic. But I don't like to fill it in too much or else it's ridiculously dark. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush and my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer in the lightest shade. I think it's number 2, Very Fair. And I'm going to go ahead and carve out the bottom part of my brow to clean up the messy edges that I've created. This concealer is really, really thin and lightweight, so I really like to use it specifically for my brows. It does slightly oxidize, and I'm not a big fan of that, but as long as I buff it out really quickly and then put something on top of it, I don't notice that oxidation quite so much. And this brush is a brush from Urban Decay. It actually came in the electric palette. It's a 2-ended brush. One side is like a really, really flat patting brush, and then the other side is more of like a flat application brush. And just with the other side of my goof proof pencil from Benefit, I'm just using the spoolie to comb everything together so everything's going one direction. And next I'm gonna go ahead and take a shimmering eyeshadow from Buxum's Dollys Wild Side palette, and I'm gonna put this right underneath my brow where I carved it out. And there you have it. Both of my brows are done. Gross. Yeah, super cute. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.